All right, you guys, I am here doing some homework for my class. And so we're looking at this cone. Susan has a cone-shaped paper cup to get water from a fountain, and she's looking for the depth of the cup. So we are looking for one dimension of this, which means that it is just going to be a single dimension. In this case, it's going to be the height of our shape. So we are going to have to use the Pythagorean theorem because we do not know the vertical height. We know the slant height of this cone, but we don't know the vertical height. So we are going to use Pythagorean to find the leg of this, which is right here. So we're going to start with using 5 squared plus, we're going to call it x squared, and it's going to equal our hypotenuse squared, which is 10 squared in this case. We're just going to square. Again, we're using the Pythagorean theorem here to solve this. This is going to be 5 times 5, which is 25, x squared, and that's going to equal 10 times 10, which is 100. Now we're going to go ahead and solve for x, so we want to subtract 25 on both sides. And that leaves me with nothing here except for the x squared. And then over here, we've got 100 minus 25, which is 75. Now, when we want to get rid of the square value on that x, we need to get x by itself. We need to do the opposite of that, which is the inverse, or to square root it. That will get rid of that. And when I square root an answer that is not nice, it's going to end up coming in as an irrational number. We're going to do on here, to do it on this calculator, you're going to hit the second button and then go down here to the x squared. As you can see really closely, there it is. There's a square root button. Each calculator is different, so check out which one yours is. You see that it comes up right there. I'm going to type in 75 because that's what it is. Hit equals, and we get this number right here. We are rounding everything to the nearest tenth, so that 6 is going to get rounded up to a 7 because this is a 6 here, so that's going to round it up. So the answer for this is roughly 8.7, and we're talking about centimeters. So the height for this would be about that. So that is going to be my answer for this one.